In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media links to your Shopify store. This process is essential for enhancing customer interaction and boosting your online presence. Let's dive right into it to ensure you get the most out of your e-commerce platform. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Head over to your browser and enter Shopify's URL. Once you're there, input your credentials and access your account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify dashboard. This is your hub, where you can manage everything related to your store. Now, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Online Store option in the main navigation panel. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Themes section. This area allows you to customize the appearance and functionality of your online shop, making it truly unique and personal. Next, you'll look for the Customize button. Usually, it's placed right next to the theme that is currently active on your store. Clicking Customize will take you to the theme editor, which presents a variety of customization options. Now, eye straight to the left sidebar once more, and search for the section called Footer. The footer is a key area of your site. It provides a consistent presence for essentials links across every page. Within the footer, you should see an area to add social media accounts. Sometimes, social media links might not be visible right away. You may need to add a new content block or adjust existing settings. To link your social media accounts, you'll want to insert the URLs for each platform's profile page here. Shopify supports major social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and LinkedIn, among others. Be sure to double-check each link for accuracy so customers are directed to the correct pages. After adding your social media URLs, take a moment to preview how these icons will appear on your site. You can do this by selecting the Preview option. Here, you can see how each icon aligns within the footer, ensuring that everything looks neat and professional. Once satisfied, don't forget to save the changes using the Save button in the top right corner. This step is crucial to make sure your updates are reflected on your live site. And there we have it. You've successfully added social media links to your Shopify store, strengthening your brand's connectivity with customers across multiple platforms. This addition not only helps in engaging with your audience but also significantly enhances your store's credibility and outreach. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I hope it helps you build an even better store.